So that's a really interesting and exciting question, actually. I think there's a real focus around technology on this for me. If legal service providers can develop ways that they can make their technology really match the needs of what their clients want, not necessarily what they want, what their clients want. Say, for example, in regulation, say, for example, with AIs that really conform to a risk profile that you're setting as an in-house lawyer, then I think there's a real opportunity to steal a march on the competition. If you can do that, and you can say, well, actually, these commoditized tasks can be tailored to you, then I think that's the magic. That's the magic.
I think it's actually critical that law firms and their clients work together, and that they work together to create solutions for the complex and increasingly difficult issues that are coming up for their clients. If you take something like Brexit, it's a huge challenge. Nobody knows quite where it's going. They don't know how to deal with it. But I think there are opportunities to use the new technologies that are coming along, to use new ways of working, to be much more effective, but working very closely together with clients. I think the days are going to have gone when you can just have a law firm in an office doing something and a client somewhere else relating to them. They will be working together in what I think is being called co-creation.
But it's really about really just trying to get under the skin of your client, understand what is it that really adds value to your client. That might be in traditional legal advice, but it may be in some other area. So it's about understanding what it is, what value that you can add. I think one area where I do think law firms have an advantage is that they have lots and lots of clients with similar problems, there's an opportunity, I think, for law firms to really act as a conduit and allow clients to talk to each other, because often that can be as useful as speaking to the law firm itself.
So we use a range of lawyers, but I think one of the things that sort of kept us with one or two firms over the years, and actually not just in the role I'm in now, but over the last decade in other roles, is really the relationship. Now, some of that is because you've got a good personal relationship, you've got a good personal chemistry. I think you need that. And I think that's really important when things go wrong, actually, because I think there's a bit of forgiveness on both sides, but also a bit of an understanding that sometimes deadlines just can't be moved. Things need to get done. But beyond that, I think it's a deep knowledge of the business. And I think that's what really breeds the loyalty. It's very difficult to get a firm to come up to speed and understand all the nuances. And I think it's those nuances that really provide you with excellent advice.